Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Welcome to Marlie Mount, Old Harbour, St. Catherine. Here you will find this stunning home for sale. It sits on zero point 0.2 acres or approximately 8,712 square feet. It offers 6 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, making it perfect for families, working professionals, retired individuals, or even returning residents. You will love the peaceful and serene atmosphere, providing a much needed break from the busy city life. The house features a gorgeous foyer and a staircase upon entry, as well as a spacious open concept kitchen, a dining area, and a sunken living room. The primary bedroom includes a walk in closet and an ensuite bathroom complete with a jacuzzi. This home also comes with high stained wood ceilings and large glass windows. The house stays well ventilated and filled with natural light. Additionally, there are front and back balconies that offers breathtaking mountain and city views. The property benefits from its convenient location, as Marley Mount Primary and Infant School is only a minute away and the town is just a 5 minutes drive. Moreover, it takes only 30 minutes to reach Kingston via the nearby highway. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 56 million or US $364.8 thousand dollars. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.